Experiencing SMS problems on Simple Mobile? You're not alone. As of September 2025, some users, especially in rural areas or during peak hours, face intermittent SMS delivery issues. This can often be traced back to SMSC settings or conflicts with RCS. First, let's understand SMSC. It's essentially the hub for your text messages. An incorrect or outdated SMSC number can cause send-receive failures. For Simple Mobile, the SMSC number is often +12063130004, but it can vary by region. Secondly, RCS is the modern evolution of SMS, offering richer features but sometimes conflicting with SMS, especially on older devices or during network hiccups. We'll demonstrate how toggling RCS off can force your phone to fall back to SMS, often resolving the problem. Recent network outages, like the one in July 2025, have also contributed, so these steps are crucial for troubleshooting. For SMSC Reset on Android, open your messaging app and go to Settings, then Advanced, and find the SMSC option to enter the correct number for your region. For RCS Toggle, in apps like Google Messages, disable RCS in the settings to force SMS fallback. Use built-in retry features in messaging apps. SMS has retry logic that reattempts undelivered messages multiple times. During the T-Mobile outage in July 2025, many Simple Mobile users fixed SMS issues by resetting their SMSC numbers using TrackPhone guides. While RCS will dominate in the future, these SMS fixes remain relevant for legacy devices. If issues persist, check Simple Mobile's support forums or X account for firmware updates, or contact their support.